The story of stone soup. One day, a traveler arrived in a small village carrying only a large cooking pot. The villagers were curious about the stranger and asked him what he was going to make with the pot. The traveler replied that he was going to make a delicious soup using a special ingredient, a magic stone that he had found on his travels. The villagers were intrigued and gathered around as the traveler started to boil some water in the pot. He then put the stone in the water and said, "This will be the most delicious soup you have ever tasted, but it could be even better with some other ingredients." The villagers were skeptical but curious and offered to bring some vegetables, spices, and meat to add to the soup. As each villager contributed an ingredient to the pot, the traveler stirred the soup and tasted it, exclaiming that it was getting better and better. The villagers were amazed as the traveler added more and more ingredients to the soup, creating a rich and hearty feast. Finally, the soup was ready, and the traveler served it to the villagers. They all sat down together and enjoyed the delicious meal that they had created together. The traveler, satisfied and full, thanked the villagers and continued on his journey. The moral of the story is that by working together and sharing what we have, we can create something much greater than the sum of its parts. It also teaches us to be generous and welcoming to strangers and to be open to new experiences and ideas.